If you know me, you know that I love a big, bold statement moment. However, sometimes the luxury is all in the details. Mariana just released their Little Luxuries collection and I am obsessed. If you know Mariana, you know them for their big, bold, crystal forward pieces. However, this collection is a little different. Think refined metals, gold and silver with just the right amount of sparkle woven in. It's subtle, it's chic, and it's oh so beautiful. What I love most about this collection is how wearable they are. Some of them are just simple, delicate chains that are perfect for layering with your more bolder pieces, or you can layer those together to give a more effortless, elevated look. And the way they catch the light, stunning. These are the type of pieces you don't just wear for the season. They're just timeless. They're the forever piece kind of jewelry, and they're versatile, and they look just as beautiful on their own as they do stacked with the more bolder statements from Mariana. Mariana's Little Luxury Collection is available now. The link is in my bio. Trust me, you're gonna want to pick up a few pieces for your jewelry box.